Hi, this is my dad's motorcycle. It's a black one.
Yeah, the black one.
And there's also red.
Yeah, there's also red on the wheel.
This is a tile.
And it has red on. I just wanted to show.
Here's my dad's old one.
Yeah, that's old one. And this is a scooter.
This is all gouache.
Yeah, this is a garage. And you know what's here in the garage? There's lots of stuff that you can play.
You can see it's very messy.
Yeah. We have to clean it up. Wait.
Yes.
And here are garage door.
Okay. Bye. See ya later. And this is Abby. Say bye.
Bye.